How's it going, guys? Happy Tuesday. Hope you had a good day. Today's our first red day in 5 days. Broke the streak today, only down a little bit. Pre-market we were looking good, and then we're actually a lot lower for most of the day, and it started to come back up later. Why were we red today? Shares were down on a lot of these today, as you can see. Levi keeps going down, Space is going down, Wells Fargo is going down. Today I bought into Uber. I think Uber's at a nice price. I'd like that for long term. Around that $30 range right here. Yeah, I like that. So actually what I did a couple days ago is I sold a put on Uber to try and get shares, and if not, collect the premium. So let's see, that's not it. Where is that? Oh, here it is. Yeah, so it's a $39 premium to collect because I sold a put. Expires the 21st, which is Friday. When I sold this, Uber was like $31 or $30. Instead of having to try and time the bottom or when you want to buy the shares, it's easy just to sell a put, and if it hits there, you pick it up, or if it doesn't, then you just collect the premium. So if it goes down and hits 29 on expiration or even near there, I'll probably get exercised, and then I'll have 100 shares at that $29 price, which I'm fine with. Potentially could keep going down to 25 or whatever, but I don't think so. And even if it does, that's fine. I wanted to buy this around this range. So ideally, since I want 100 shares of Uber, it will come down to 29 on my expiration date, and I'll get exercised, and then it'll shoot up. But either way, it's not a huge deal if it stays above here and I don't get exercised. If it stays at 30, because I'll still collect this $39 credit. So yeah, if it gets exercised, happy. If it doesn't, happy. But that's why I got this put so close to the money. Typically when I sell puts, it's on a stock that I'd like to own. However, I'll usually buy them further out the money. But this, I thought Uber was already kind of at its bottom, so I bought it close to the money. Yeah, so yeah, and then I also did another credit spread on SPY to open this one up today. And let's see, was this today? Yeah, I think so. Open one of these up today. And so yeah, these expire tomorrow, so those should be good. I think we've got a little more room on this one and this one. Basically, if the SPY stays above or below 342, we'll collect that credit. This one's a pretty big. It's maybe a little more aggressive, but where the SPY is, I don't think by tomorrow it's going to close above 342, which is way up here. Given it's a little risky because this is kind of a breakout, but since it's an ETF, there's not really a breakout, it's just a bunch of stocks it's leveraged with. So yeah, we hit the all-time high today, so yeah, I think that one will be fine. And then the other, let's see, the other one I got was this one, and I don't think it'll go below 333 tomorrow afternoon. So yeah, that'd be pretty crazy. So those should expire out of the money, and I should be able to collect the premium on those. And then what else do we do today? These will all expire. Let's see, some are going to expire tomorrow. Oh, these two expire tomorrow. Then the rest of these expire on Friday. However, I've already made my buy to close on these, so they probably will get exercised tomorrow, or I'll probably buy them to close tomorrow. Like this one, I'm at $3. I bet tomorrow, if T doesn't shoot way up, then I will buy this to close for the $1, which seems kind of silly, but then I get 1 extra day on it, or 2 extra days, then I can sell a covered call sooner. So it's worth it for me to buy it out then. Let's see, Levi, yeah, this one. See, I would buy to close this one because it's at 6, but they're in 5-cent increments, so I'd have to spend $5 to close this instead of $1. So I'm like, I'll just wait for that to expire. That's kind of annoying. So my Square and Zoom. This is, let's see, is on today's return. So Square kind of sold off. Let's see. And some tech did. But if you look at the range it's in, this is this 180-day moving average looks like a pretty good support level for it. And then, I mean, there's definitely resistance right around here. So it's hard to say. I was kind of hoping it would kind of consolidate higher up here and then go up, since it's sold off and now it's kind of coming back up. I don't know. This might keep trending down for a bit until it bounces off this moving average. Or maybe tomorrow it'll just start going up. But the way it looks, this looks like a, let's see, this looks like a downward trend now for maybe a day or two. But I didn't sell out up here just because I have so much time on it. I've got till this time next month. I've still got a month of, or no, they're down here. But I've still got about a month of time. And yeah. And then these are capped too, since it's a debit spread. So I have a capped amount of money I can make on those. So once I get close to that, I will close them out. And this one has 2, so what I should have done, and I'm not used to trading on Square really, or not Square, but Robinhood. I bought 2 contracts. What I should have done is this at one point I think was up 100%. The safer play would have been to just sell one contract at 100% profits, and then the other one would have been free, so this would have been free. But oh well, with the debit spreads, it's less risky. So I think this will keep going up. I think pretty sure for it to get to full value, basically the max amount I can make on it, it's got to hit 160, I think. So yeah, 160, which I don't see why Square wouldn't hit that by like a month from now. And the sooner does it, the better. But it's up here, unless if we just start selling off and it doesn't break out of this. If it doesn't break out of this, then yeah, I'll sell it off next time it comes up here if it doesn't break out. And then Zoom went zoom. So today it was up $70 more. So that's nice. That's $220 positive on that debit spread. So we're at 80% positive on this one. We only have one of these contracts. These are more expensive. And this one is close also. Once it hits $280, I'm pretty sure that's when my max gain is on it. So this one didn't do a pullback today, it just kept going, and it's still, to me, that's still bullish. It is oversold on the RSI. The MACD they're just flat. So it might kind of consolidate tomorrow and for a little bit and then keep going up. But yeah, this doesn't look like it's going to be turning around too soon. And kind of the way this stock works too, it's pretty clean patterns, trends going down and then going up. And if you compare that to Square kind of was doing this anyways, where like, you know, it'll have these days where it goes way up and then it comes down, it like consolidates down, then it comes up, and then it hasn't been as clean of trends, I guess. But what has been pretty clean is it's stayed above the 180-day moving average here, so that's a good bullish sign for me. So yeah, those I'll keep holding on to. But yeah, this one kind of hurt us today. Yeah, if this was even today, we would have been green. Let's see. Yeah, that's just today's return. And then these down here, yeah, these it was more of a tech, I guess it's more of a tech day, except for my Square went down, but I think tech kind of gained more than pre-COVID. Stocks, cruise lines, airlines, space. I don't know what's going on with space. I like want it for long term, but maybe at a cheaper price. So yeah, this is kind of the price where I'd want it, is 17. I mean, I'm down on it right now, but I don't know. It's hard to know with this one. It's so volatile. This thing goes up and down so much. I've just wanted to make the quicker money with the options on it and selling calls, but I've already come in and out of this one a couple times using the wheel, and that's crazy how that works. BSGM, let's see. No, am I still down on that? Yeah, so I'm gonna sell out of this one, these two, once they're positive, and then car. So I got some shares of car today. Car, I can't. I don't know. I can't see this one being a stock I don't want to hold long term. It's got a lot of consolidation in here. So maybe once this 100-day moving average comes up, maybe it'll kind of bounce off of that and keep going up. It really hasn't sold off. I guess here a little bit. When was this? Hasn't really had a serious sell-off at all. It's IPO'd, you know. So, I mean, on the daily chart, it's way oversold. But if it'll consolidate and kind of regroup and keep going, eventually this RSI will come down even with the stock price going up. So we'll see, because you can see in here it was oversold, came down a little bit, consolidated, and then the RSI was in the middle. Consolidation, then kept going up, same thing. And then there's just a little consolidation there and it kept running. I think there were earnings in there or something that, let's see, when were the earnings on this? Yeah, so this is kind of still earnings run. 33% above what they're expecting. So that's a car. What else did we do today? Hello. I get a phone call, I think, at least 2 times per video. It's great. Yeah, I guess that's about it. Red day, kind of a, you know, doesn't really bother me. I know why it was red, and one day that the pre-COVID stocks are doing well, you know, American Airlines, cruise lines, this will be a big green day, $400 or $500 green. And then to hedge against that, not a hedge, but to keep it pretty level, we have options in the SPY credit spreads, which are keeping us slowly climbing, kind of level, and then we'll have hopefully a big green day. Lost money on my other account with Kodak. That Kodak move today, I don't even want to look at it. Tried to get in on the first haul and it didn't give it to me, and I was using Robinhood, and then tried to get on the second haul and it never failed me, and I was like, all right, I canceled on Robinhood. And then I was like, I gotta try it on Webull, and so I was market ordering. I was market ordering on Robinhood and it wouldn't fill me twice through 2 different of the halts. And then I did it on Webull, and that just happened to be the very top, and I top ticked the buy hardcore. So I didn't lose a whole lot, but it just not cool. I sold out of it. I thought about holding it. I'm like, I'm selling out of this thing again. Sometimes you need a few lessons to really learn it, but yeah, don't go chasing waterfalls or Kodak cameras. Thanks for watching, guys. Like up, sub up, comment down, make your money happy money so it'll stick around. Peace out. See you tomorrow.